guys? Welcome back sa ating weekly freaking podcast. That's right, weekly po. Last week pinag-usapan natin yung mga nangyari nung 2023. Pinake natin. And then we called out Neil for his gambling addiction. And now he's not here. So that's it, guys. Due to immense backlash, tinanggal na po namin si Trinil sa Pinoy's podcast. Ayun, hanggang maybe next week once he magpa-public apology siya po. Okay. Ayun guys. So, yun din pag-uusapan namin ngayon. We're gonna talk about gambling, guys. Okay? Contrary dun sa title na nakikita nyo ngayon. Okay? Clickbait lang yun. Okay, hindi talaga namin pag-uusapan yun. Pag-uusapan talaga namin ngayon. Sugal. Tama?
Paano ba magsugal?
Okay, paano ba magsugal? Pero bago yan, kamustahin muna natin yung mga nangyaring mga tao dito at mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa nila sa mga buhay nila. Ayan, simulan natin kay Chris! Let's go! Just fucking do it. Just do it. Just do it, man. Stop questioning things, bro.
My fucking life is mundane as fuck. I eat, I sleep, I edit shit.
Damn. First time?
First time? First time?
First time? Then look at that
It's the
white
same thing
room.
all over again.
Exactly, bro. The cycle of life continues. What else, Chris?
What do you mean? What else? There's nothing
What else,
else.
Chris?
I'm getting fat. I'm becoming unhealthy
fuck?
day by day.
Why,
It's,
Chris?
it's shit,
What the
man.
fuck?
Why,
I want to
Chris?
go to the gym, but you know what's the problem?
What's
I
the
don't have
problem?
money to go to the gym.
Then you don't need to go to the gym to exercise.
Do a fucking push-up. What the fuck, bro?
Tama, damn, you tell him, Karen.
Baka dyan, ikot-ikot ka sa inyo.
No, again. Why don't you fucking, walk with Ragnar and, palayain mo
Kaya,
siya and then
true.
chase after him, bro. That's
Fucking
instant,
abuli mo.
that's instant cardio for, I don't know, puta ilang kilometers yun. Diba? See?
Gagaya mo ako sa'yo.
Damn, bro. You're just making excuses at this point, guys. Just do it.
Fine.
Para, ewan ko. What the fuck happened to John? He's gone!
He's gone, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
I mean, what the fuck, bro?
See, Ragnar's right there. See? Palayain mo. Go, do it right now, Chris. Open that door. Palayain mo si Ragnar.
No, man.
Go, do it. Do it.
Oh, there's two dog, bro. What the dog doing, bro?
Okay, John's back. At dahil dyan, ikaw na. Oh, next.
Dali dyan, ikaw na.
Next. What's going on, man? What's going on?
Okay lang naman, Okay lang.
What's with that ass haircut, John?
Takin na yun yung tatalo sa'yo. 10 minutes lotar. Damn, bro.
Dapat 3 minutes na dapat to.
Putang inang 10 minutes slaughter yan. I never tried that, bro. I tried so hard to do that.
Siyempre dapat,
I can't.
okay. We gotta get out of our comfort zone, sabi nila. Mag-grow ka lang pag nasa labas ka ng comfort zone mo. So ngayon, habang mainit sa Pilipinas, naka-hoodie ako, tapos mahaba yung buhok ko. I'm out of my comfort zone, okay?
But that's not that's not how it works.
That's a different...
Sabi daw nila, get out of your comfort, but doesn't mean that you have to discomfort your life,
Ano ba yung kabaliktaran ng comfort, okay? Discomfort, okay? What's wrong with you, bro?
Not
Pare ba tama?
really. It really depends on the context, though.
Tama. Okay. Baka mali lang, okay?
Like, I'm not
Wala
comfortable
naman.
right now, but I wouldn't say na I'm at a status of discomfort. I don't even...
True, okay.
Actually, you know what?
Ayusin lang.
I don't even know what discomfort feels like anymore. Maybe I am discomfortable. Maybe the term discomfort is... Whoa, what the heck? Did you just drop your dog, Chris?
What the fuck, Chris?
Then, yan ang discomfort.
Hindi niya binato na maayos. Hindi niya binaba na maayos.
Yan ang
Naisip
discomfort.
ko lang ngayon is, di ba? Alam niyo yung picture na, me and my homies start sa podcast. Sa unang episode pa lang, hinuli na sila ng FBI.
Me and my homies are gonna do some podcast. Me and my homies after the first podcast.
You know, that is why hindi ko pa tinutuloy yung UD podcast ko. I feel like that's gonna happen to me. Pero walang homies. It's just me. It's just me and my shit-ass takes.
Diba, you
Fuck,
are your
man.
homie, bro.
I am my homie, bro. Speaking of homie, let's ask Ken. Homie, what's going on? What's going on with you,
Ano
ha?
ako tag dito? Kain, record, edit, tulog, and repeat.
Sarap.
That's it, bro.
Damn, ano kayo, bro?
Just grinding
YouTuber ka ba?
mindset to. YouTuber na ako
YouTuber ka ba?
ng dalawa ako. Pinoy's Place and Pinoy's Tales. Tama.
Damn, anong feeling?
Just keep grinding, ha?
Anong feeling kan na ganun kang YouTuber na you're editing, you're uploading, you're doing daily vlogs
I'm
and
doing
shit.
good,
How does it feel again? Does it feel worth it? Does it feel good?
It felt good kasi, pag nagbabasa ako ng comments, like, they're happy about shit. Like, oh shit, may napapanood ako, gano'n. Tapos, stress reliever ako, they're happy and shit,
Yeah, happy sila. Pero ikaw, happy ka ba?
Happy rin ako, syempre.
Sabi nga,
Puta,
pakita mo,
doing my best,
pakita mo happy ka. So fucking...
Tangina mo. That's it.
What?
That's pretty much it,
Then there's also like how is the grind? How does it feel?
It's just that, tag dito. Trying to, para ayoko mag-skip na isang araw kasi in a way, nangihinayang din ako.
What do you mean?
Isang araw, sayang yun eh. Para sa akin, isang araw is like sayang. Sa pag, ayoko, ba't pumasok sa mindset ko yun?
Sayang? Like in what
Tag
Pag
dito.
walang na-upload ata.
Pag wala na-upload, yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Damn, he's starting to think like a YouTuber now, John. Damn, look at
Yes.
this boy. Look
Damn,
at this
bro.
guy, bro. Look at this
Exactly.
guy.
Mindset.
Holy-
Kahit
holy
late
shit.
upload, basta may upload. Mas maganda na yung late kaysa hindi pumano. Tama.
Damn, holy shit. See that, Chris?
Tama.
Yan ang YouTuber.
Pala ko na rin pala gumawa ng tuloy-tuloy ko ng content ko sa channel ko. Tama.
Wala ka bang...
Shameless vlog.
At dahil YouTuber ka na, ganap ka ng YouTuber ka na, may tips ka ba sa mga up-and-coming YouTuber na?
Putang naman, ganun. Wala pa nga ako sa taon What the fuck,
Go, bro.
Barang lang tayo
Puta,
nagsiroan.
you're now in like, ilang subs sa mga Pinoy Styles, ha?
Almost 20 kayo, bro.
Oh, puta,
Yo,
pwede na
putang
yun. That took me 2 years to reach that, bro. Come on, go.
No, keep grinding, bro. Just keep grinding.
Ano feeling na in just 1 month na reach mo na yung 20K?
I'm thankful,
No,
Super
I mean,
thankful.
like, ano man tips? Give tips, bro.
Tips.
Just the tip, bro. Just the tip, bro. Just the tip.
Consistency.
Yeah. Dapat araw-araw may upload support. Kasi minsan, natatuwa ako sa comment, oh shit, 7 na, or kaya 6 na. Oh shit, nag-aalam daw sila. Para lang man ako makanood, so nakakataba ng puso. Kasi minsan, hinaabol ko talaga yung time slot na yun. Para ma-upload ko doon. Pero pag minsan late talaga, wala akong magagawa. That's how it is.
Na kulang pa.
Damn,
Yeah, kulang pa.
You forgot to say the
The what?
almighty words.
What?
Ano yan? Just be yourself.
Just be yourself, bro. Tama. Smile and make believe, bro. Tama ba nila?
Just be yourself. What if
just
tamad
be
ka?
yourself. Exactly.
What the fuck?
Tangina, hindi walang kakupas-kupas na lagi ko naririnig sa mga ano. Just do your thing. Just be yourself.
Just be
Ilang
yourself.
advice yan, hype na
What
yan.
the fuck?
Imagine how many people would. I think that's why a lot of people are super unhinged na. Because people told them to be themselves. Look at them, they're absolute trash of society now. Iba talaga. Anyways, that's
pretty much it.
that's the thing na nangyayari sa amin nowadays. Ikaw, Trinil, anong nasabi mo?
Ako? Niisip ko baka magsugal na ako next year.
Oops, wala si Trinil eh.
Napa-insert na lang po ng
Salamat,
clip ni
salamat.
Trinil na nagka-scatter siya dyan sa...
Gago.
Ay, Tupaldo!
Wait, are we actually gonna talk about...
I don't fucking know, bro.
Gambling
Man,
for a bit.
Fucking no.
I mean, it's like recently, literally pag ano namin.
Feeling ko nagkasimula yun sa shinir mo.
Bakit?
Kasi
Puta, ano ba sinare ko?
yung ano yung...
Nil, what the fuck, bro?
Mekos,
Megos, sinan mo si Megos, tapos parang feeling ko sunod na.
No, here's the thing, context manonood. So, like, before nag-start tong podcast na to, itong recording na to, si Pile Station, di ba? Shoutout sa iyo, sa mga
Pile.
PP dyan. Nag-post si Pile, like, calling out people na nagsusugal. Parang, sawang-sawa na daw siya nakikita ng mga content creators na nagsusugal. Kasi wala na daw siya ma-raid na matinong content creator. So like he went on a ramble saying like very valid points ganito ganyan. Okay. So ako I will always take the chance to shit on Neil for his sugal. Okay. So like oh shit. So tinag ko ulit si Neil na ano yan?
Pinost mo ba?
Hindi. Tinag ko lang si Neil.
Wala,
Hindi ko na
wala,
sinare.
wala.
Tinag ko lang si Neil na puta. Yan, kasalanan mo Neil. Ganun. Pero before that, like literally the day before ba? Was it the day before?
I think it
Yeah,
was the
the
day.
day-
Okay, the day
The day
before. May
before, yeah.
sinare ako. Wala lang, pang-asar lang ulit kay Neil. Sinare ko yung video ni Mekos.
Mekos.
Na about, yung galit na galit siya sa sugal. Pero that was like, it was a video he recorded for like a month ago. So, sinare ko lang. Tapos, tinag ko si Neil, calling him out. And then, sabi ko, bilhin ng bagong isda si Gloco. Tapos after nun, siguro after ko pinost yun, syempre puta natin si Pile, di ba? What do you call this?
Friend.
Friend.
Friends,
Siguro like, na-trigger na rin siya. Nag-post na rin siya ng call-out video niya. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if yun yung dahilan. But anyways, like speaking of that hashtag bilhin ng isda si Loco. After that, piniem ako ng mga tao. Nag-donate sila ng mga isda sa akin. Okay, which is nice. Yung iba namigay ng fish eggs. So yeah, the movement actually worked. Wala lang, siningit ko lang. But yeah, like fucking what do we though? I don't think we're the right people to talk about sugal. Yeah, I don't know. Dapat kasi
maybe
sinil
state na lang ng kung paano yung Facebook yun kasi ikaw as a as a frequent user of Facebook, you see what's happening, you know. And maganda yung valid yung mga points ni Pyle in a way.
It
Kasi,
is, of course it is.
It is fucking true. Feeling ko kinonekta niya rin dun sa 'di ba nag-announce si Razi na iiwan niya yung Facebook. He's gonna move to Twitch.
Yeah, he did.
nakita ko nga.
He fucking raided me.
Kasi even though tapos na yung like contact niya or some shit, maganda pa rin yung reach niya sa Facebook kasi it's just this platform is
Infested.
much more toxic compared before, even though that is like full of ML, full of Gcash giveaways. Ngayon is just kahit saan ka magpunta, kahit manood ka ng mga matandang nag-aaway sa puta ng labas na lasing, pagkatapos ng video hindi na Robert D. Wade, you know, ay guys, dito na naman tayo, putang kina.
Click the link sa baba.
Ito!
Sugal na tayo.
7-7! Bili-bili!
Sabihin nyo, di pa kayo nakakita ng gano'n, okay? Sa lahat ng nagagamit ng Facebook, you know, for sure may mga nanonood ng videos yun.
That's their outro, literally, bro. Like, literally, that's their outro.
Doon ako nababad trip eh.
Ako rin eh. Alam mo yung ganda na ng video eh. Tapos biglang, puta, nag-play sa dulo.
Yeah, this fucking ruined it, bro.
Ruined everything.
ruined it.
Fuck!
May napanood akong isang video na parang parang heartwarming na parang story. Tapos maya biglang sugal yung
Biglang may sugal yung dulo, putang inang yan.
sugal bigla eh.
Kumari namatay. Like, download nyo na po!
Download nyo na po!
Ano yung pinakamalalang?
Click na gamit ang aming link.
Yung pinakamalalang example niyan yung like a few months ago, I think. Or last year lang. Yung parang namatay yung anak niya, di ba? And then, linuluksa niya yung anak niya. Yung anak niya, literal anak niya. Ano sa video na namatay, putang ina yung dulo. Yun, yung promotion niya ng sugal. Putang ina, so fucking dumb. But you know, like, I kinda understand this situation kung bakit talamak na talaga ngayon. Like
Kaya, you know, feel mo yung galit ni Pyle. Hindi lang towards the other people na ano ba tawag sa ganun? Ini-enable or ba tawag sa ganun? Mga naggaganon, ano din, you know, like, yung sa mismong platform din mismo.
I mean, they're not doing it kasi it's like it's registered and all that. So pero kaya kasalanan din ng Facebook in a way. Like and there's a lot of factors in play. But I kind of want to talk about kung bakit talamak yung phenomenon na to.
Parang naging gambling era.
Naging gambling era.
Gambling era na yung Facebook po kinang inang yun.
Yun daw yung meta eh. Yun yung meta daw.
So in terms of like, in terms of being meta, kasi last time, siguro there was an era na wala pa yung gambling. Ano yung talamak? Like the ML siguro it was the ML era. Ayun. Kasi dati,
goods lang yun, putang gaming yun.
Okay lang, mag-gaming naman yun eh.
Gcash giveaway, goods lang yun eh.
But I'll get to that. So it's more of like, okay, we now fostered the age of being social media content creators. Okay. So there was a time may FB, may Facebook gaming din, 'di ba? Facebook gaming and other streaming platforms and hundreds or thousands of contracts being given to different content creators na malalaki yung bayad. So nasanay sila doon, 'di ba? Na tipong, oh shit, I'll quit my job, I'll just be a full-time content creator kasi may mga contracts na ganito. And then after a short while, they got very comfortable and then nawala yung mga contracts na yun. Like nawala lang bigla na bula. So now these content creators are trying to scramble to keep the status quo na nakasanayan nila in social media. Kasi hindi naman masyado, what do you call this? Mahirap din kasi na parang mag-aasa lang sa AdSense and stuff like that, or yung what do you call, yung kasi kung ano man yung tawag dun sa Facebook, you know, kuha mo lang sa ad. So, yung iba umaasa talaga sa sponsorships lang. So, when nawala yung mga contracts, they were desperately trying to find something new to what do you call this, to survive or to support yung channel nila. So what's the easiest? Ayan.
Jesus.
Yan, the fucking
Tagtag ng
gambling.
email mo dun.
Hindi, kasi like let's say we probably most of us have watched Breaking Bad. Everyone probably or most of us probably knows what money laundering is. So I'm not saying itong mga gambling sites or itong mga gambling companies are money laundering, pero the possibility is there because like the money they're offering these content creators is no fucking joke. Malaki talaga. Like it's insane. Like for example, like I'm not gonna disclose any specific numbers, pero sabihin natin million per month ang kinikita ng isang kakilala natin. Shoutout kayo, Trinil.
Pag-ibawi ka naman sa amin dito. Pakain ka naman, idol.
Pero yun, may ang laki ng bayad. Tama kung napanood niyo yung video ni Pyle, yung mga offer na mga 300,000, 100,000 just per month para lang
Totoo yun,
totoo yun. Kasi ang laki, like hindi mauubusan ng pera, kasino yan eh. So ang bumabawi sila sa what do you call this?
Papasok.
Sa pumapasok ng mga tao, yung mga nauuto. So tama rin yung what do you call this? Yung tinatawag na demo accounts. Wherein siguro nakita yung mga content creators lagi silang nananalo. Okay, most of the time paldong-paldo sila sa mga stream sila. Tama rin
wala
sinabi
sigurong
ng
isang buong week sila nag-i-stream, isang buong week sila talo.
Parang ganun.
Kaya rin din nakasama si Trinil last time eh.
So totoo yun, may mga demo accounts. Okay, and those demo accounts are pretty much rigged to
Mataas ang
to
chance
win.
na manalo.
Tapos play money lang.
And then play money lang, like yung nakita
Hindi
mo
nila
mga
ma-withdraw
tinataya
yun.
nila, hindi nila ma-withdraw yun, hindi rin
Hindi rin sa kanila.
linagay na yun nung so kinokonwari na lang nila na parang na binabudget yun.
Yeah,
Para sa show.
Doon lang din umiikot yung pera. Doon lang.
Yeah, it's just to give a dopamine boost to the viewers na para
Lagi siya
pag
nanalo. Ako
or-
rin. Sana ako rin. Tala, let's go.
Exactly. So it's fostering that kind of and I'm pretty sure some of you, yung mga ibang content kayo, sinasabi na rin yun. Like literally fucking Doggy said the same thing, di ba? Pero like people still watch it. It's a new age of entertainment for some people na kumascatter. Kahit alam nila yung odds, alam nila na demo account pa rin. They're still clinging to the very, very low chance na pwede pa rin sila pumaldo. So, yeah, that's how gambling addiction ruins people's lives. But, going back, ano ba inaano ko? Yeah, kaya nagkaroon ng gambling age. Kasi, yun nga, the offers are just fucking insane. Like,
Insane.
we're not talking about like regular contracts. Like, literally, kung may following ka lang, kahit konti pa yung following mo, they just need a place where yung mga gambling mga gambling companies, they just need a place na i-imbak yung pera or i-spend yung pera na yan for I don't know, maybe laundering purposes nga. And then they won't ask any questions, gawin mo lang yung pinapagawa nila and then they'll pay you. That's it. So it's up to you kung lulunukin mo yung ano bang Tagalog ng the humanity. yung
Pagkatao.
yung pagkatao mo ganun. To what do you call this, to promote it. So ayun, again, we do have friends who are engaging in such promotions, and I think it's our job to still call them out. Na tipong we don't really want to enable them to do it. We understand why they're doing it, but doesn't mean na we're okay with them doing it. At the moment, parang gano'n lang kami. What can we do? Puta, buhay nila yan.
Buhay nila yan. That's their
Buhay
life.
nila
you
yan.
know?
Buhay nila yan. Like, anong gusto mo? Tawagin namin yung pulis. Kaya,
Putang ina to. Sa gilero to, sir.
and in a way, there's nothing illegal about what they're doing, but it's just really bad, man. It's just very bad. So, ayun. What say you, fellow PR peeps? Like, what's your take on this?
My take on this.
Ikaw, Ken. Yeah, go.
I'll
Ako
take
muna.
you.
Yeah.
My take was I'll take you.
Sabi kasi ni Nil, di ba? Kaya sabi niya naman sa stream niya na ako na lang magsusugal, pero in the end of the day, di mo rin hawak yung isip nila, okay? They will fucking do it, okay? Pag gusto nila, kasi nakikita nilang nananalo ka or mapapaldo ka. At sabi mong, huwag niyo gawin to, ako na lang. Putay na, in the end of the day, parang iniumplosan mo na sila. Okay?
Yeah, you're
In reality, you're still doing it.
Sabihin natin they're living their life, gipit sila sa pera pero
Yeah.
the way their mind works is parang nag-iisip sila ngayon ng mga bagay na pwede nilang gawin na honest, na malinis. Tapos biglang dumating ka sa algo nila kasi pukin ang ina mo nagpo-promote ka rin. Ayun, biglang na-feed mo sa utak nila. Parang nagtanim ka ng seed, alam mo
May
yun?
seed, yeah.
So it's not about like parang sinapsycho mo yung mga followers mo. Hindi kasi Facebook is open sa lahat eh. Yung mali, yung pangit dun is putay na may naaabot ka dahil yun yung algo. Alam mo yun? Hindi push kasi yung kahit hindi hindi ikaw yung target audience. Puta, matatarget ka talaga as audience ng hype na yun.
Like, tama nga yung sinasabi ng mga tao. Like, no matter how many times or how much you gaslight or manipulate kung ano yung ginagawa mo, nagmumukha ka lang ipokrito. So, just, no. Wag ka na lang, parang wag mo na lang defense. Just do what you do.
Just do it. Like parang, yun nga.
Masama daw masama. Puta
Oh, exactly. Like,
Twist
kasi
ko to.
pinili mo na yan eh. Pinili mo na
pinili
yan.
niya na yan eh.
Like,
That is it.
whatever man yung pangangailangan mo, even, let's be honest, like, they know. They know. Like, kahit si Neil, he knows, like, what he's doing is wrong, but like,
pinapagan niya yung loob niya para
hindi naman sa pinapagal, pero he really needs the money. And
Yeah.
ang hirap din, like, if I was in Neil's position, ang hirap din kasi i-defend
Yes.
kung ano ba ginagawa ko. Pero I still have to do it. Like, I don't know kung ano yung circumstances, Neil, why he's doing it, why some of our friends are also doing it.
may
But,
gusto nilang patayo,
yeah.
may gusto silang bilhin, may gusto silang ganyan. And they want a faster way to do it.
pero I just hope that na alam nila kung ano yung repercussions lang. So like whatever backlash dapat alam nila or handa sila na to take it,
Handa
like
na.
what else can we do?
Handa na,
Can they do, di ba?
Alam rin nila
What
yun.
can they do? Yan. Pero like naalala ko lang rin, ano mo yung ka-issue kay Von? Like speaking of yung mga pag-iipokrito. Okay. So, I think yung kasagsagan nung issue nung kay Von, kay Engineer Bike. Okay. Biglang sinabi niya na parang napunta yung issue sa sugal kasi yun daw yung reason bakit nawala yung 8 million niya. And then after that, biglang nag-virtue signal siya. Na parang he called out lahat ng mga nagsusugal din. Na parang, tama na, wag niyo yung masisira mga buhay niyo and all that stuff. Now, if you hear that, if you're someone who doesn't really know much about Von or like, alam mong, what they call this, wala kang alam sa content creation and all that stuff, or wala ka sa industriya namin, you would think na parang, that is a very uplifting message, ganun. Pero, like knowing the content na ginagawa ni Von and also na nagsugal din siya before, and knowing the fact that I think marami na nag-point out nito, pag sa sugal daw, ang mostly na nanalo lang dito is una, yung gambling company, and secondly, yung mga nagpa-promote, which is the streamers. Walang natatalo sa dalawang to.
Walang talo sa kanila eh.
Bayad tong dalawa, okay? Lahat to nakikinaba. Ang talo lang lagi dito is yung mga normal peeps na who are literally just
Nauto.
Na-influensyan,
playing it,
yeah.
okay? So, Von, a lot of people have called out Von na nag-promote ka rin ng gambling. Okay, ang daming like even betting, yung mga battle of the YouTubers and all that stuff. So parang, although tama yung intention mo to tell people na mali yung pag-gambling, it shouldn't have come from you, yung words na yun. Like, someone else should have said that, but not you. Out of all the people, dapat hindi ikaw yung nagsalita niyan. Kasi nakinabang ka na. So, a lot of people who are promoting gambling ngayon, ang joke nila is like, pura, sabihin, Bon, pura kinakapaldo ka na.
Damn, bro, where's this hatred coming from, bro?
Yung alin?
Ikaw.
No, I'm pointing out
okay.
the
Just stating the
hypocrisy.
fact.
I'm supplementing what do you call this? Yung mga issues na to. So like to make the point na tipong a lot of content creators right now is wala silang karapatan defend yung ginagawa nila. Ayun lang naman. So,
What do you, like it's like a case of is that a dead body and then after a few months advocate na siya ng suicide hotline, alam mo yun.
There's a like wala namang problema to redeem yourself. I think there's just a proper process on doing this. Like for example, like the way I saw Von's what do you call this, yung content na ginawa niya. Kung nagawa niya ng tama yung like if he did it in the right stages, then ma-reach you or what do you call this? Mabibigay niya yung message na mas maayos eh. So for example, like simula 'di ba sa okay, yung 8 million na scam. And then everyone was hoping na okay, you have to make an example out of this guy na dapat hindi nang sa scam ng mga tao. And then nalaman lang na this is for gambling. I ano what do you call this? Nawala yung pera through gambling. And then binaling niya na yung issue niya from what do you call this? From his 8 million, binaling niya na into a call out sa mga nagagambling sa Facebook or yung mga nagpo-promote ng sugal. So parang ang ano, I don't know what you call it. There's a term for it in English. Like parang may curveball bigla sa
Full 180.
sa advocacy niya. So like ang iffy lang. It's just an iffy way of going about it. There could have been a better what do you call this process in sending a better message about it. So
Yes.
ayun. Lang ngayon. Sobrang bahid na talaga ng ano eh.
Yes.
Inauthenticity yung creator space nowadays. Ayun na.
Kaya kung nanonood man si Bon, alam mo na. I mean, kung ako din nawalan din ako ng 8 million, putang ina, kahit nagtatari yung puki ng inang engineer bike, puta, mumurahin ko rin lahat ng nagtatari eh. Kasi gusto kong may paglagyan ako ng galit ko, puta na, laking pera nun eh.
Nun.
If I'd had that money right now, bro.
Damn, 8 million, bro. Sheesh. God damn.
Only an amount I can dream of.
But yeah, anything else, guys? With regards to
Na-realize ko lang na sobrang big deal yan kasi may Discord ako. Kaya ba, mga atabs talaga, like mga bata talaga. Puta, all of the sudden, puta, they talking about scatter. Sabi ko, what the fuck? Alam ilang taon yun, mga 15, 16, 17. Sabi ko, what the fuck? Tapos kinukwento pa nila, pag nasa classroom daw sila, nag-scatter daw sila. Nananalo daw sila, paldo daw. Sabi ko, what the fuck? Tapos, dinakagisalita sabi ko, what the
Pwede kasi
fuck, bro?
magtaya, tumaya dun ng 5
Kaya
pesos.
sabi ko, paano kayo nakakapasok? Puta, may nalaman pa ako isa. Meron parang ano pala sa ano. Ewan lang kung paano sila nakakalaro Sa Gcash, meron palang casino doon, something. Gambling game. Amutan ko, di ko alam kung paano nila na-access yun. Anong fucking ayun lang.
Just a gambling game in Gcash?
Yeah, di ko nga alam. I was like, what the fuck? Meron pala doon.
Pagkakalam ko, ang meron lang sa Gcash is like, pag nagpa-load ka ng 50 pesos, puta na, parang may loto
May
doon
cashback.
May cashback? No, that's
Ano
different.
parang
Meron
may
talaga
entry
doon.
ka sa loto.
Sa Gcash.
Oo, may entry ka sa loto.
Entry ka sa
Tapos
loto.
pag natama mo yung 6 combinations dun sa araw na yun, puta na may libre kang 100k.
Ayun. Okay.
Yun.
Yun lang naman sa akin kasi doon ko lang na-realize na
Man.
it's fuck, the shit is fuck, you know? Kasi masyado nang open sa mga bata yung ganun. Kasi nakikita nila sa Facebook kasi ano yung pinaka-accessible sa atin? Puta, Facebook. Putang ina, yung Facebook infested pa. Diba?
Parang napapaisip tuloy ako ngayon. Like, siguro okay lang gambling. Pero fuck promoting gambling. Yun na lang, you know?
No, it's never. Gambling is never okay.
Gambling
What the
has
fuck
always
is-
been there, bro, this whole
Yeah,
time.
it's been.
Isipin
Yeah,
mo
it's
yun, puta.
there, but it's not. Doesn't mean like it's okay.
It doesn't
Puta,
matter anymore.
drugs have
kasi
been
ano na
there
yun eh.
all these years. Doesn't
Yeah,
mean it's
bro.
okay. Smoking has been a fucking normalized thing. Doesn't mean it's okay.
Pinakaiba ng drugs is, it's illegal, oy.
Ito lang masasabi ko. I get what Vanilla is saying, but the thing is, whatever vices that you have, keep it to yourself. Don't promote it to other
Exactly. Exactly, bro.
That's his point.
Again,
though.
It's fucking okay, pero puta,
you can't
mo, wag
say
mong-
it's
wag mong
okay.
ipakita
Don't
sa ibang
say
bata.
it's okay. It's
Wala tayong
not.
magagawa, okay? They're still gonna do it.
Yeah,
They're
people are
still
gonna do it,
bro.
but doesn't mean it's okay. Fucking.
Gambling is bad. Oh, yun na lang.
Yeah, there you
I
go.
mean,
Gambling is bad.
gambling is bad, pero it's okay. Joke lang.
Oh, you're ruining it. That's what you're doing. Ilang yan.
Yan lang naman, you know. I mean, gambling has been this whole time, you know. Lumaki ako na putang ina, pinakaunang hindrance sa buhay namin for my family's downfall is fucking gambling. Oh.
Bling.
Damn, bro.
I know that shit, bro. We went from owning 6 cars to fucking none. Okay? Gambling.
See,
I love that
how's that okay, bro?
Never fucking okay, oh.
See, now
That's
you
why I
realize.
fucking hate gambling, bro. Putang ina. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng mixed emotions. Puta, yung mga tropa ko nagagambling. Putang ina.
That's the thing. Yun nga parang, that's the next thing I wanna point out. Na parang, dahil nga, ang dami ng nagpo-promote, especially yung mga taong iniidolo nila, they think, like, although at the back of their mind, they know it's not okay. Pero parang, ang ginagawa na lang siguro nilang justification, just to gaslight themselves into, like, pressing that scatter button is, like, ano kung si ano nga, di ako na rin, ganun. You know, parang may scapegoat sila. Kung baga sa utak nila, nagkakaroon sila ng scapegoat na pwede nilang pagsisihan if ever may mangyari.
Why are we still talking about gambling? Gusto ko na
Yan
po yan, ina.
Just
Yun lang.
lang.
Don't
Okay
call me out that sa ano pala sa
Para
Gcash.
lang masabi natin na para,
sure.
oh shit, weekly podcasts are actually talking about something
Yeah.
relevant at the
moment.
Let's
Putang
go.
inang iat, oy. I'm just done with this gambling shit.
Yeah.
I hope it fucking dies. Every time may nakikita akong gambling, puta, i-report ko, oy. Yun na lang,
Nakailang dating na ba
No,
sa'yo?
yun na lang, yun yung movement, oy. Every gambling hater in fucking Facebook, puta, may makita kayong gambling, puta, i-report nyo na lang, oy.
Guys, report si Trinil.
Dalawa lang yan, eh. Puta, ito mga creators na to, pag nawala yung platform nila, they're in fucking nothing, okay? Wala silang silbi, wala silang kahit anong mapagmamalaki sa buhay, kasi yun lang naman yung meron sila, alright? I'm just saying this shit, kasi wala lang, galit lang. Hindi ko alam kung galit ako, I'm just chill. Fuck gambling, yun lang naman.
Damn, chill, bro. What the fuck? What's this gambling? Damn, bro. It's always been there, bro.
Baka may nagagamble dyan na, ay, ito yung hype na to. Di ka lang ino-opera ni Puke na pakita ko sa yung email na everyday, okay? Every fucking day, puta. May, legit, this past few days, nagtatanong ako, boss, magkano po ba dyan? Gagawin ay, sir, punta pa tayo WhatsApp or Telegram. Ulul, putang ina nyo.
Bro, it's not just the emails, bro. Like, literally DMs, man. Like,
Even a
wala
fucking
bunyagan
phone
na,
number.
bro, eh. Wala na email. Bunyagan na. Putang ina, di-DM ka na lang mismo. Like, legit, bro. I-DM.
Yung
Or
tawag
tatawag ka. Putang ina, bro.
I don't know how do they get their phone numbers? What the fuck?
Yun yung like,
You'd
I
be
don't know.
surprised. You'd be
Baka may
surprised how, Chris. It's easy. Easy as fuck.
Yeah, they're just gonna buy some...
Publicized na.
some
Yeah.
shit.
I guess that's
Yun
it.
naman.
Yun lang naman. Yun lang siguro. Inunay
Manangin ang boss
namin
sa trabaho, I love you pa rin, no?
Okay.
Gawin nyo lang yan, puta, mag-quit nyo. Sana pagkatapos nyo dyan, may balikan pa kayo, mga YouTube, di puta kayo. Joke.
Mahal ka pa rin namin, Nil.
Mahal ka pa rin namin, Nil. Di lang
Mahal ka pa rin
namin,
namin
di
nila.
lang namin
Mahal ka pa rin
mahal.
namin.
Di nakikita ng iba yung mga problema sa buhay. O, yun lang.
Yeah.
That's true, that is true.
Naiintindihan ka namin, Nil. Okay.
Basta tandaan mo
Pero,
lang, Nil, as soon as
Okay
meron
lang
ka na
ikaw, huwag lang yung iba. Joke lang ba, naging hypocrite.
No, bro. This is his like the hanggat nag-ano siya, we're gonna keep on shitting on him. And he knows the repercussions.
Ikaw na lang pansinin eh.
It's fine. No, papansinin ko siya, okay.
Ikaw na lang, okay?
Ako
That's
lang,
your
okay.
job, bro.
That's my job, okay.
I just don't wanna chill in Facebook, yun na lang.
Yun na yung ano, yun na yung
Dito tayo sa ano.
That's his payment. Yun na yung karma. Like me shitting on him every day for just
Uy.
gambling. Okay.
Ano
Yun na
yun
yun.
tayo kay XQC mag-gamble, okay? Yun, okay lang yun. Pag Pinoy, bawal gago. Bawal kayong umangat.
Fuck, never
Kaya
ako
naman
nanood.
kami bad trip sa inyo kasi ayaw namin i-accept kasi may moral something kami na ayaw namin i-accept. Pero nakikita namin kayo na in-accept nyo kasi wala na kayo pake sa kung anumang moralidad na meron kayo. And kayo kumikita ng malaki, and kami hindi. Puta na Pinoy tayo dito, mag-ilan tayo pababa. Walang umaangat dapat.
Yun
Puta na.
talaga yun. Okay.
Just
That's
because
it.
mas bobo yung morality nyo, kayo yun yung hindi. Pinoy tayo, hilahin namin kayo pababa. Joke lang. Okay lang, pingin na natin 10k, ano? Yun na lang.
Pahingin na natin yung 10k. Babawiin namin lahat ng sinabi namin.
Lahat na
Okay.
sinabi.
Lahat ng sinabi namin,
Puta ba
babawiin
yan?
namin.
Lahat na sinabi namin, babawiin namin.
I accept forms of payment on fishes, aquatic plants, aquariums, and fishing gear. Thank you. Thank you
Wait,
very
is
much.
betting consider casino?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, or
Oh,
you're
yes?
betting. Yeah, it is.
Kasi Gcash, doon pala, sa Gcash daw may betting pala.
Betting
Tama.
sites and all
Tinanong ko.
that stuff.
Yeah, exactly. That's why naisip ko na meron talagang casino everywhere. Okay?
Yeah.
What's bad is just lahat ng videos na napapanood ko kahit yun nga yung mga motovlog videos, kahit ano sa dulo talaga may gambling
May
outro.
gambling shit.
Mhm.
May link na sa baba sa comment.
Yung mga malalakas mag-Valorant dati puta nag na lang ngayon eh. Nag-scatter. gaming content creator pala to eh.
Ibang gaming na.
Mhm.
Up.
Okay.
Yan lang naman.
I think that is it.
I'm just saying,
That's it for this
Do not at
issue.
me, naglalaro lang ako pa ng Roblox, okay? As a living.
Don't
Don't
at
at me,
me.
I'm just playing Valorant lang.
Nag-aquascape
Sa Roblox
lang po ako. Okay.
And Roblox as well.
Sa Roblox na ako nagsusugal, okay lang yun.
Don't at me na sa Japan ako ngayon. Okay. Green screen lang to lahat. Okay. Yan lang ako. Fishing lang ako.
Alright.
Anyways, that's it for that issue.
How
Okay.
minute? Puta 30 minutes na yun.
Masaya ka na ba, Ken? Masaya ka na ba, Ken? Okay. Nalabas mo na ba yung hinanain mo
Baka
na?
nagsabi na, pag-uusapan ba natin yung gambling?
Putang ina nyo, gago at the back. Ako pag ginawa ng issue.
Alam ko si Ken talaga nagsabi kanina na para
Di ba natin pag-uusapan yung gambling?
What the
Si Ken talaga
hell? No!
si Ken yung nagplanta sa utak ko noon yung issue na yun.
Puta, sige lang yun lang gano'n. Sabi ko, tabak free dive. Putang ina, bigla kayo
Masaya ka na
bro.
ba?
Tabak, bro. Puta, kasalanan ko ba?
Anyways, let's go to free diving na putang inang jump sa jump sa topic yan.
Topic natin.
Putang ina from Sugal.
Gambling to free diving.
Damn, what the fuck is
Lahat
Ragnar? Is Ragnar standing up?
That's Ragnar, yes.
Give him a
Damn,
kiss,
bro.
bro.
Give him a kiss.
Give him a kiss.
He knows you're
choke
having
him
a
out.
podcast, bro.
Choke him out, guys. Choke him out.
No, man.
Before nga tayo punta, sakit ng chan ko.
Ano?
Alright, so,
Water, bro.
fuck, okay, go drink your water, bro. Hintayin natin si John. Wait, mag-scatter muna habang naghihintay ka dyan.
Tang ng asong to, ingihi na. Oh.
Let him go. Get him habang kumuha ng tubig sa ano. Let him piss. Let him piss, bro.
Tingnan mo, I'm gonna say the magic word, man.
It's a magic word.
Lalabas?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, bro.
Lumabas ka ng
Alright.
we're ready.
Okay. Alright, we're back. Alright, now we talk about sugat. I mean, fucking.
Wow! Ikaw talaga! Ba't ako sinisisi mo? Ikaw nagsimula!
How about free diving?
Free diving.
The best thing ever.
The best thing ever next to sex. Okay, free diving, guys. Free diving. We touched upon this dun sa Paki 2023 podcast natin, and just to reiterate, nag-bowl po kami, in-invite po kami ng Blue Freedom Diving Apnea Club. Yep, all expense. Not really, but yeah, like most of it paid by that freediving club. And then yun, first time ng boys sa Bohol. Tama ba?
Ako, first time ko. Sa Manila yata hindi.
Yan. That was probably my second time. Second time. That's your
That's
first
my
time?
first time.
Okay, there you go. So yeah, beautiful Bohol. A lot of first times for us. First time namin free diving. First time namin
Bungee.
maging kamote
Bungee
sa
ba?
maging kamote sa daan sa
Wala
pagmomotor.
naman dumadaan doon tayo lang.
Okay, and then first time mag canyon rope swing bungee thingy. First time makita na Tarsier. First time, what else? First time makita si Chris gumawa ng kabubuhan. So,
Di pa na-release.
Hindi pa na-release.
Yeah.
What do you guys want to talk about sa freediving?
How to breathe without breathing?
Guys, what the fuck? No, like, what was like the, like parang, sa tinuro sa atin sa freediving, what was like the best bit of knowledge na natutunan? Equalizing. There you go. Can you describe what equalizing is, John?
Equalizing is in freediving terms is called equalizing yourself to the equalized environment.
Wow.
Denzel
Napakagaling.
Washington.
Very
Is
good.
exactly
Basta
the
pag-
equalizer. Equalizer 3.
Equalizer.
Putang ina niyo. Can you guys please, Chris, explain what
Ikaw,
equalizing
explain,
is.
Chris.
Let's see. Tingnan
Putang
natin.
ina ng teacher to.
Siyempre, putang ina, alam naman, spoon feed ko sa inyo yung mga yung mga sagot.
Tama.
Tama, tingnan natin kung natuto talaga kaya.
Equalizing is like, yung ini-equalize mo yung pressure dun sa tainga mo para di pumutok yung...
Explain equalizing without using the word equalizing.
Ini-equal yung pressure sa tainga mo
Equal
para pag
bumaba ka.
Pag bumababa ka or nag-aasin ka, hindi sumabog ang eardrums mo.
Parang the way Gloco wants it to be. Explain equalizing without saying the word equalize. Okay?
Okay. explain equalizing in 400 words ba?
Oh, go Ken.
No bro, what the fuck? Basta,
Tama,
pwede yun, okay?
tama ka, Mr. Yun.
Mr.
Name-reveal ka na ba, Chris?
Di pa na. Hindi.
Ay, di pala siya kasama dun sa hawak na ganun.
Mga bilang lang yun. Bilang lang nakakaalam ng last name ko.
Fuck it. Anyway, so yeah, equalizing. Like, siguro na-apply mo yung equalizing not just through freediving, but mostly in everyday life. So, in particular, you equalize when there's
pag na-mention mo yung pressure, don't do it.
What do you mean?
Wait, di ba pressure is the big one of the big reasons why you should equalize.
Yeah, exactly.
Wala lang, I'm just saying kasi baka kasi like one of these times pag sinabi mong pressure baka kailangan nating maka-reach ng a certain level eh.
No, here's the thing. There's a what do you call this? Pag may change of pressure talaga, like let's say for example, you go either above or below sea level, may change of pressure yan. Okay, kaya pag umaakyat ka sa bundok, umaakyat ka sa eroplano, bumababa ka ng ilang meters lang sa tubig, sa swimming pool, nagkakaroon ng pressure sa
Pero pag
katawan mo.
sa eroplano ka paakyat,
Oh, ganun din. You still equalize. Same thing.
Matigas ba yung pressure? Ha? Pini-pressure ka ba ng pressure
No,
pag pataas ka?
mataas ang pressure sa taas. Okay.
Maybe
That's why you equalize.
mataas talaga yung pressure if you reach a certain level, you know?
Yeah, exactly what I fucking said.
Manakalam, comment down below sa YouTube.
Wait, there's two type of
Anyways, a lot of people, I'm super surprised that a lot of people know how equalizing works. Literally, nung nag-free dive kami, saka lang nalaman nila John at ni Ken paano mag-equalize aeroplano. Kasi lagi daw nila ng ano yan?
Sakit ng tenga ko eh.
Problem
Sa
nila
aeroplano.
is sakit sa tenga. And a lot of adults still don't know how to equalize. So, putang
Natawa ka kay Ken nun eh.
Di ba nung sakit na ano ko?
Aeroplano tayo, palanda tayo sa ball. Sabi ni Ken, sakit ng tenga ko.
Oo,
kanina."
sabi nagreklamo, sabi.
Alam mo yung reaction ko sa kanya, first time. I always hated flying kasi laging ganun eh, like putang ina, sasakit na naman yung tenga ko.
It's not just you guys. Like for pumunta ako Baguio.
Pala BB, you know?
Pumunta ako Baguio recently or kung saan man pag nagko-commute ako. Pag paakyat na, there's always someone in the passengers who would say, "Tangina, ang sakit sa tenga." Ganun. Sabi ko, putang inang skill issue yan. Di ba kayo marunong? So it turns out not everyone doesn't know, not everyone knows how to equalize. Ako, I learned how to equalize just because may allergic rhinitis ako. So all the fucking time I'm actually equalizing. So parang ganun. So nako-control ko pag may kasi pag may allergic rhinitis ka, it actually feels like kahit nandito ako nakalimutan may allergic rhinitis ako, nakaupo ako kayo. It feels like my ears, everything, yung mga ko is clogged. So I have to learn how to clear that up. So ganun lang. So when nagkakaroon ng change in pressure sa pag tumataas ako, pababa ako, I know what to do. So like yeah, I learned it through experience. So yun ang nakakataga. So guys, turuan namin kayo paano mag-equalize. Okay?
Wait, there's two types, diba? There's two types how to do it.
The Fresnel, which is literally your
Flanel?
Frenzel. The
Frenzel, ayun.
The Frenzel technique. I-google nyo na lang kung ano yan. Okay, literally,
explain
it's like a passive way of doing it. Ayun, na-master ko na rin.
Anong natin? Anong yung ginagawa natin?
It's called Valsalva.
Ganun?
Valsalva.
Saliva ba? Valsalva with your
Actually, you know what?
saliva.
Maybe I'm baka binaligtad ko.
Frenzel.
Frenzel and then Valsalva. So the Valsalva, sobrang dali lang nung ginagawa pang equalize. You just pinch your nose, okay? And then you lightly blow through it. And then mararamdaman mo mag-clear out yung
magpapap yung ano mo.
Pero you don't have to. You do not freaking blow too hard. Okay, ang sakit yan.
Kill lang.
Pag you're adding pressure to equalize the pressure outside. So ganun. Just lightly blow hanggang ma-clear out yung yung ear passages mo, and you should be fine. Another way of doing it then, pag halimbawa hindi mo kayang mag-pinch ng nose, just lumunok ka or yawn. That's it. Easy. O, diba? Now you know how to equalize.
But you cannot do that underwater though.
Well, which one? Yung alin?
Opening your mouth.
Tinuro sila kahit hindi naman nabubuksan yung
Ay,
tenga.
wag ka you don't yawn in underwater, bro. Just, lunukin mo lang yung saliva mo, okay? Yeah, that's equalizing. Right, now, what else did we learn, students, dun sa freediving?
Meron ako nalalay. Relax your body para mas less oxygen yung nagagamit ng body mo. So, mas matagal ka pang mag-stay sa underwater, oh.
Tama.
Yung pala ang secret technique nila.
Correct. Ayun.
Kaya
Kaya,
lahat ng mga
the less-
tao dun sa dun sa
The less movement, the
boat
less
puta,
oxygen
lahat
you
chill
use.
like,
They're all chill as hell.
you'll know, makikita mo sa galaw kung seasoned vet na sa freediving or hindi. Like, iba-iba yung galaw Like, I get what I mean. Parang, akala, pag ikaw, beginner ka, tapos you're finning, di ba? Tapos pagkatapos ng feeling, sasabihin nila, medyo hindi ka pa relax. Like, sobrang tense pa ng ano mo. Pero in your mind, yun na yung pinaka-relax na ginawa mo sa buong buhay mo. Pero like, you watch the video na record nila, kung i-compare mo yung galaw mo sa galaw nila, puta ikaw, mukha ka pa rin parang fish out of
Hindi ko
water.
madali.
Well, like, you see those freedivers, sobrang graceful talaga. Parang, alam mo yung parang programmed yung ano nila, yung galaw. Tapos puta,
Yeah, German
pag nakita
Jesus
mo
is
yung,
Flawless yung move.
pag nakita mo yung,
sobrang smooth.
pero ikaw, putang ina, parang FPS mo, parang naglalag. Nakagago. So, yeah, there you go. They know what's up. Okay, relaxation.
Like
the body.
they're even socially chill. Yun, di ba?
Inano na nila, what do you call this? In-embody na nila, kahit out of water, yung pagiging chill nila.
It's like the first time I see German Jesus trying to baptize Asian Jesus.
si German Jesus is yung isang instructor ng nung freediving namin. He literally looks like Jesus, but he's German. I forgot his name. Fuck. Do you still remember his name?
I forgot names.
Forgot.
Ayun, basta yun. Siya. Si David. Was it David?
No.
Oh,
Maybe it's
forgot,
David.
bro.
I don't know. But anyways, ayun. What else did we learn about freediving?
Okay, tapos na ako, teacher. Sila naman.
What was like a parang, damn,
Putang ina.
this is something only if you can experience in freediving. Parang ganun.
The fucking...
Yung pins.
Yung ano.
How to use a pin?
Bro, no,
Wait,
that
what?
shit's easy, bro. You can fucking do that sa scuba.
Puta na una kong ganun.
fucking,
Puta, nahirapan ako eh.
Yung the thing, you know,
What thing? What thing?
The duck
fuck, I
diving?
forgot. No,
The duck
the thing that you
The what?
feel. Yung body mo gustong huminga. Okay, what fuck do you call that shit?
The fucking,
yeah.
the
Contraction.
contractions.
Ayun, the contraction.
There you go.
Gago, it's like, nung pumunta kasi kami doon na wala kaming, we have no fucking, freediving idea. Wala kaming alam kasi ako din, di rin ako nanood beforehand eh. I was just thinking na parang, oh shit, we're just gonna dive down, see some fucking turtles, that's it. And they're
Call
gonna
it a
teach
day.
us, like yung mga, the drills of like how to, alam mo yun, paano ng kasama, pag sa tingin mo nalunod sila or some shit, parang ganun. But it's more,
How to,
napunta na tayo dun, puta, it's more than that, bro. Puta, may biohacking, may
Biohacking, what the fuck?
may biohacking pang gagawin.
Utak mo,
Biohacking? What the heck is
you're
that?
fighting your own mind.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was like you're
that's good.
fighting your
That's
own
good.
flesh.
You
May
need to
biohacking, but you're hacking your own fucking
fortify your
Flesh.
mind.
May explanation daw yun eh. Kasi daw, yung utak natin nakaprogram na, kunyari, may 40% ka pa, pero sabi nila na utak mo na fucking breathe already. Para siya pa
before
yung
tayo mapunta dyan, puta, explain mo na natin
Go.
ano yung contractions. Okay? So, contractions is parang, in a way, in terms of feeling, puta, ma-feel mo siya doon sa ilalim ng ano mo, like, taas ng tiyan mo. Okay? Kung meron kang ulcer, yan, kung saan yung masakit. Tulad sa akin ngayon, sakit. Putang ina, kanina pa masakit eh.
Fuck.
You know, ino-ulcer ako ngayon pero it's okay. So dito, dito parang may they're doing a fucking pump or whatever, Yung mararamdaman mo talaga sa ilalim. Parang gusto mong lumunok ng hangin na ewan.
Tawa ka ako kay Chris eh. Ano sinabi ni Chris doon? I remember.
Ganun yung-
Tawa tayo.
Isipin mo ganun, it's like basically nagpa-practice ka kung paano malunod basically yun yung contraction, no? Like try mo ngayon first syempre dapat may kasama ka,
Dapat
try
kasama
mo
ka.
just hold your fucking breath and then
Relax
just
your
hold it.
body first, oh.
Just hold it to the point na parang mararamdaman ka na di mo na kayang labanan yung sa tiyan mo na parang gusto na talagang huminga. That's it. That's the contraction, no? And yun yung
Ako
sinasabi
nanginginig
ko,
ako
puta na biohacking ang puta. Fuck this shit. Kung ano na, doon ako kinakabahan sa contraction eh.
To let you guys, okay. Para mag-gets
maganda
nyo ko na.
explanation.
Pag may nakikita kayo yung mga freediving videos or yung mga nakikita yung videos na nag-spear fishing and all that stuff. Pag minsan may naririnig kayo gumagato,
Yun na yun.
Parang
ibig sabihin,
lumulunok.
putang ina, nagko-contract na yung gagong yun.
Nagko-contract sila.
Okay, so that's the contractions. So, ang turo sa amin dito, so, apparently, when your first contraction, pag hindi pa sanay yung katawan mo, is basically telling you na parang, okay, you need to fucking breathe, bro, kasi you will die if you don't. But in reality, parang yung katawan mo, it's just, kumbaga, yun lang yung threshold muna kasi alam ng katawan mo may parang 50% ka pa or there's like still a lot of you still have a lot of air kumbaga. So let's say for example if you hold your breath right now and then you reach let's say for example 30 seconds bago ka nag-contract, okay, that means your body can probably still handle no air for around another 30 seconds or another minute or even more. Matagal pa yun, marami ka pang reserve.
Yeah.
So basically, ang ginagawa ng mga free... I hate it when I say basically. Fuck, why do I keep saying that? Basically, ang tinuturo sa'yo sa free diving is you have to fight the contractions para magamit mo pa yung reserve air mo. Sasanayin mo yung katawan mo na, what do you call this, na... Basically, sinasabi mo sa katawan mo, hoy, tangina, meron ka pang, ang arte-arte mo naman, meron ka pang hangin sa loob. Parang ganun. Okay. So, chill, man. Chill. So, yun yung pinapagawa sa amin sa freediving. Yung ginagawa namin static apnea.
Biohacking.
Actually, we kind of started with how many minutes. Yung iba sa atin, we lasted for a minute yung first. And then, eventually, ako, like, for example, I only lasted for a few minutes. And then, at the end of our course, umabot na akong 3 minutes. Kasi I literally, I hacked my body, bro. Like, biohacking din.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Pero in reality, like in terms of free diving, static na di ka gumagalaw ng 1 minute is just it's nothing. Legit.
Yeah.
It's fucking nothing sa free diving kasi puta na dami mong galaw eh. Yung
Yeah,
duck dive
dami
pa lang.
mong gagawin.
Yung palangoy pa lang pailalim puta. Kung 1 minute lang yung kaya mong i-hold, that's already like 50%. Ano yun, 10 seconds ka lang sa ilalim.
No, like yung nakakaano nga na ang isang one amazing experience sa akin yung ginawa nating yung what do you call this? We have to dive down like
Kasi balikan
like
yun ba?
12 fucking meters I think 12 meters
Ay,
or
balikan.
more.
Yung
Na balikan with in just
may
one
rope.
fucking
Wala,
breath
one
with
fucking
rope.
breath.
Pagbisa nga walang rope yung ginawa ko.
Pababa?
Putang, pababa. Wala. So like I really had to like calm myself down. Kasi no choice eh. If I panic under, I'm gonna die. So yun yung parang motivation ko to relax was to what do you call this na just I was just thinking don't die. But it's a surreal feeling kasi pag ginagawa mo na siya what do you call this parang kinokondisyon na rin ng katawan mo na parang okay, you got this. You should need to relax or else you will die. So there's like there was a point there na parang it felt so high. Like parang ang good shit nung feeling nung paangat. I don't know. I told that to our instructor. Sabi na, yeah, I know. It feels like drugs, right? Parang, hindi kasi gaga talaga. Alam mo, pailalim ka.
Na-feel ko rin yan eh.
Yeah, di ba? Pag pailalim ka na, you reach the depth na kailangan mo and then angat ka na. Yung paangat feels so fucking good.
Yeah, it feels
It
different,
feels like,
diba?
like parang putang
Compare sa pababa?
Oo, it feels so good. Like parang nagiginhawaan ka. I don't even know the feeling, pero there's like a sense of elation when you're going up. Tapos parang may bubbles pang lumalabas after that. Pag ganun. And then yung buong katawan mo gumagaan din. And like, it's so good. Like, damn. No wonder these freedivers keep freediving. I love this feeling. Fuck.
Alam mo sa utak ko, like, binivisualize ko na, sabi natin yung lungs mo is just malaking bilog, di ba? Tapos pag pababa ka, it's like, you're fighting with yourself. Tapos parang doon na nangyayari yung contractions and shit. Kasi feeling mo yung hangin pa gano'n, no? Papunta sa tiyan mo, paangat. Puta na nung pag bumaliktad ka na, and then you're just chilling doon sa ilalim, puta gagaan na yung feeling mo. Ang weird nga eh. Tapos pag umangat ka na, doon mo maiisip na, damn, pwede pa pala akong, marami pa lang akong hangin eh. I don't know, maybe it's just maybe placebo effect kasi puta malapit ka na sa pag nandun ka kasi sa ilalim, dami mo pwede maisip like, holy shit, alayo.
Abot ba ako? Hindi.
Yeah. It's just it's scary bro. Pero feeling ko like, yung progress ko dun, if only I had more days, you know.
Yeah.
If only yung excitement ko nung sa third day ata natin, third day or fourth day. Feeling ko third day, yeah. Third day natin was like the same nung first day. Feeling ko mas mas nag-enjoy ako sa
First day kasi
freediving.
putang ina para tayo
Feeling ko, tas sa fourth day kasi
Fun dive.
No. Sa fourth day tayo.
Nag-adventure.
Nag-adventure.
Tapos sa parang may isa tayong free day. And then nag-fun dive na tayo. So like, it's just technically 2 to 3 days lang tayo nag-free dive out of our 7 days.
Parang ni-speedrun natin yung parang progression dun. Puta iba dun nag-stay for 1 month.
Kala ko sa akin skill issue kasi puta medyo
Na you actually
Tumataba.
Hindi
Tumataba
tumataba
na
sa
tayo
akin eh.
mga kaibigan. Ang ano kasi, parang pag na-gets mo kasi yung idea behind free diving, it's more, you're fighting, not really fighting, pero you're trying to make use of the tool you have, which is your fucking body. And then, putang ina, ang dami kong excess na taba-taba. Naisip ko na, damn, it doesn't matter kung sobrang tagal kong umano ng kasi yung lung capacity ko pareho lang nung kabila, tas mas less lang yung gagamitin niya ng oxygen kasi mas less yung yung laman niya, okay?
Damn,
This is
bro.
how it is. Parang yun, doon yung nauna ko naisip. So like, I was discouraged the first few days, pero nung sa third day, na ako.
Nalaman mo skill issue lang talaga.
Kaya natuntua.
it's
May
more of
natuntua
like,
siya sa akin eh.
Is how,
Mind
It's
over
in your
matter,
brain,
bro.
bro. It's
Mind
in
over
bro.
matter.
Yeah, mind
It's
over
in your
matter, bro.
mind. Boy.
Actually, you did pretty good. Like compared to like
I
the
did, bro.
first the first.
Nakwento mo pa ka sa akin, natuwa daw yung isang kasama mo.
Yeah, yung
Oh
Tagalog.
shit, you did good. Parang natuwa.
God damn, bro, you fucking did good, bro.
Eh, natuntua siya.
Tontawa siya.
Ikaw, Chris.
Gago instructor pala yun, galing Manila.
Sino?
Damn.
Yun.
Okay. Yun yung guy na yun.
yeah, that
Yun.
guy. I remember that guy.
Kasi di ba nagpo-post pa rin sila na we're hiring instructors and shit. So
Oo.
parang kinuha yun and then I think he's undergoing training or some shit.
Yeah.
Kasi I think yung problema naman ng guy na yun is pag nagda-dive siya is suot niya pa rin yung snorkel which is
Snorkel.
bad kasi you're supposed to breathe when you're wearing it. So like what if nandun nga sa baba and then you're still wearing it and then in your
Maisip
mind
mo.
bigla kang puta mainom ka ng tubig sa ilalim ka pa mag-choke.
Pabay oxygen.
Utang, I hate
You know?
that.
So like that's why eat the bad. So kailangan mo mag-follow pa rin ng certain practice.
Nan. How about you? I want to hear Chris's experience, man. It's just
Bagong tubig, sakit ng tiyan ko.
I'm really having trouble like just being in the water in general. Like
what
truth
happened,
to be,
Chris? Walk us through what happened.
truth to be told, if pag nasa swimming pool, oh yeah, it's fun. But when it comes to the open sea, I just fucking panic. I really hate the fucking open sea.
Wait,
Like-
have you revealed to people that can you actually swim or like in general you don't know how to swim?
I don't know how to swim.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to swim in general. I don't even know
Which is
why
fucked
did I.
up. Putang ina.
I don't even know why I said yes. I thought it was just. I thought
ina
it was just
mo.
gonna be. I thought it was just gonna be a fucking trip that we're just gonna relax and just do whatever the fuck I
No.
want.
He's back without a doubt.
Okay, so we're
Ang ina,
we're talking about Chris,
salamat.
okay?
Salamat sa podcast na to, nabigyan ako ng ulcer, okay? it
Okay.
hurts.
Going back. So si Chris ang sabi daw niya what do you
I don't know.
call
Hindi
this?
siya marunong lumangoy,
Hindi siya
ha?
marunong lumangoy, okay. So sabi
is
ko,
funny,
yeah,
Which is funny as fuck.
This is fucked up. You know what's fucked up? Tangina, nalaman natin na Chris couldn't swim was
No,
literally
no,
when he
nandun
was
tayo.
already
Nasa
on the
swimming pool na tayo.
open fucking no. We were on the
nasa
open
open sea muna.
sea. In the open
nakano
sea.
lang siya.
Nakita yung
Oo.
sahig.
Hindi, ito pang malala. Putang ina, the weather was shit no first day
Yeah, the
first
natin.
day.
It was wavy as fuck.
Fucking
So
fuck.
putang ina yan, si Chris, walang sinasabing hindi siya marunong lumangoy. Putang ina, sinabak
Just
siya sa open water in like fucking 20-50 meters like, of water below us na naka-wetsuit lang, walang floater. Tapos putang ina na ito, pinilit. Gago ka ba? Hayop ka? You could have
Puta,
died,
sakit,
Chris.
sakit.
Tang ina mo. Ang hirap. First day pa lang
So-
natin gagawin.
Sumali ka
Yeah,
ba yun
man.
sa activities nung first day?
Oo,
yung
pumunta
sa
siya
room.
doon. Tapos
Oh.
tumalo siya.
Wait, like, did you even
Ay,
try?
hindi.
Like,
No, he
bumaba
went
sa
to the
ilalim?
Once
open
this one
water
try.
and then
Oh,
he
okay,
was
makes sense.
struggling to stay afloat.
Yeah, I
So,
was
puta na,
using
he was-
dalawang Bowie.
Puta, imagine
Yeah,
kung
yeah.
di siya talaga... Imagine kung naano nga si Chris. Puta, sino magliligtas? Kunyari, kaya ba natin si Chris?
Ang dami, putang dami doon.
No,
May
pag
instructor.
tayo
Ang
lang,
dami
kuya,
instructor,
dapat na
pero
tayo.
ang pangit pa rin. Like, the whole point was, it never should have happened if ever
Exactly.
It never
then,
should have
yeah.
happened if magkano siya.
Kasi no bullshit, first day, feeling ko first day dapat nag-ano na agad tayo. Yung
Like yung
Caesars.
swimming pool.
Yung pool.
Oh.
Good,
Tinuro
bilig na
na sa
tayo
atin.
eh.
Binigla tayo. That was fucked up. Even I didn't have a good time no first day because that was fucked up.
Tanga na, saka nga lang ako natuto lumangoy ng content nung napupunta tayo sa Roman Empire.
Ay. Binigyan tayo ng flavors and shit.
Oo.
Ayun, sana sira yung phone ko. Puta yun.
Ay, fuck.
I think the open water diving natin, yung mga session was one of, I hated those sessions personally kasi dahil may allergic rhinitis ako. Siguro yung ibang mga divers dyan na may allergic rhinitis na nanonood, or if ever you have allergic rhinitis and then na-try mo mag-dive and then pag angat mo is nahihilo ka, that's because of your allergic rhinitis. Ako, ilang beses ako sumuka, di ba?
Yeah.
Like,
Ano,
para
connect?
puta. Ha? there's just something about, kasi kung may allergic rhinitis ka, imbalanced yung fluids mo sa utak or sa ears. So, pag nag-free dive ka, the water around you kinda equalizes yung fluids mo. So, you're okay. Pero pag angat mo, the moment you surface into the water, from the water, mag-imbalance ulit yung utak mo. So, para mahihilo ka. Nangyayari rin yan sa akin pag nag-scuba dive ako, sumusuka ako after na. It just really sucks. So, pag minsan, ang ginagawa ko, pag bago ako umangat, or bago ko itaas yung tubig, yung ulo ko sa tubig, I just stay there for a bit just to, balance myself up.
Damn,
So, I hate it.
you kinda chose the wrong fucking hobby.
Yeah, I know, right? Na-realize ko lang yun. Na-realize ko lang actually yung nag-scuba dive ako eh. But yeah, what can I do, bro? Yeah, I'm way
May tanong pala ako
I'm way
about
too
yan.
deep into it now. Pun intended. What? Ano?
What's the big difference between scuba diving and free diving?
Scuba diving has you got an
Yun nga, yeah. Pero di ba
cylinder.
may in-explain ka sa dati yung di kayo pwede umangat agad. Why?
Yeah, good question. So, one of the main differences about like pag nakikita kayo mga what do you call this? Yung mga ibang free divers, they can go as deep as they can. They can do as deep as they can in one whole breath. Kami mga scuba diver, we can't do that. Like, hindi kami pwedeng bumaba ng todo tas aangat na lang agad. There's physics involved where may mga, what do you call this? We have nitrogen gases inside of our bodies. And then those nitrogen gases are supplied by the air we intake. So, pag nag-scuba dive kami sa ilalim, we're getting unnatural air na hindi naman galing sa, what do you call this, sa taas. So, what happens is, we're going under and then we're taking in air pero yung nitrogen bubbles na dinedevelop namin has nowhere to escape. So, if umangat kami agad na
What would
bihagya,
happen?
puputok yung mga cells namin because of the nitrogen
Oh,
bubbles.
damn.
So, what we do is nag-safety stop muna kami at a certain meter para ma-dissolve muna yun. Okay, hindi kami pwede umangat. Kaya, a one way for weebs to find out the concept of rising up or down ng bihagya is yung Made in Abyss. If napanood nyo yun. So, Made in Abyss kasi, sa Made in Abyss, ano ba yung concept nun? It's like
Ano pa ba, di ba?
It's like a fantasy thingy where the characters go down and then may curse. Okay? May bawat level or bawat level na Abyss may curse. And then ang isang pinaka rule sa Abyss is do not go up. Kasi the moment you go up, matatamaan ka nung curse nung Abyss. So, sa first level, pag umangat ka, okay lang. Sa second level, pag umangat ka, magkakaroon ka ng nausea and vomiting. Pag galing ka sa third level at umangat ka, magkakaroon ka na ng bleeding sa katawan and all that stuff. Pag from the fourth level, tumaas ka, you're literally gonna die. And then, pag galing ka sa fifth, tapos tataas ka, it's either mag-mutate ka or you're gonna turn into like goop. So, ganun yung like, literally pag,
Damn, that's kinda fucked
literally
up, bro.
sa Made in Abyss, ang concept niya, yung okay lang bumaba, walang epekto sa'yo pag bumaba. It's just when you go up. So literally, pag tumalon ka, like just a few minutes tumalon ka, mararamdaman mo na agad yung
Something.
effects nung curse. So that's the same thing when it comes to scuba diving. When we're going down, may pressure pa rin sa kami sa baba na there's like a safe level of pressure. Hindi naman yung ocean gate level na pressure. Yung tipong kaya pang i-tolerate ng katawan namin na bumaba. Pero ang pinaka delikado is yung pag-angat. Yun yung iningatan namin lagi pag scuba diving.
Ano
lang you have to say?
Ano tawag sa sickness na yun?
It's
Decompression sickness.
Decompression sickness. So, barotrauma, Chris. There you go.
I missed that game.
How long ka bago kayo umakyat?
So, it depends on how deep we go. Pero let's say, for example, ang sa recreational scuba diving na for entry levels, ang max namin is around 15 meters. Okay. So literally yung binaba natin dun sa
That's your
dun
max.
sa free dive. Yun yung max ng scuba diver pag ka pa lang, open water certified ka pa lang. Now, bago kami umangat ng bihagya, we have to stop somewhere on 6 meters. So sa
Then
6
steady.
meters na yun, or I think like on 6 meters we have to stay there for 3 to 6 minutes. Okay? Para ma-dissolve yung nitrogen bubble sa katawan namin. Pag okay na, tapos yung safety stop namin, saka na kami aangat. Ayun. So,
Curious lang kasi ako kasi last time, di ba may nakita tayo nung may pawikan, tinuturo mo. Sa kanila kasi di ba nakaganon sila, dami nila nakahilera. Nakaganon sila, di sila gumagalaw, tapos tinuturo mo. Sabi mo, may pawikan, may code ka pa, something, ganon.
Yeah. So, nakita kasi namin ni Ken, may pawikan na sa ilalim. Pero tinuturo ko sa mga sa mga kasama ko. And then may mga scuba diving peeps din doon. So I was like, si Ken, he was wondering, bakit hindi pinupuntahan ng mga scuba diver yung pawikan?
Sila.
Sila yung may they can literally just stay underwater and then swim there, right? So napansin ko, nakataas na yung buoy ng nung dive master ng scuba divers. Okay, I get it. They're doing their safety stop. So hindi na sila pwede bumaba. Kasi pag bumaba pa sila, they're gonna ruin their safety stop. Tapos mag-safety stop ulit sila. Usually pag nagsi-safety stop na, paubos na rin yung hangin nila. Okay? Usually scuba divers, hindi sila ilang oras sa ilalim eh. Most of the time ang dives namin is just very quick. Like 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on how deep. The deeper we go, the lesser air we even we have. Kasi nga nako-compress yung molecules ng air, di ba? So mas namin. So yeah, there's a lot of fucking physics involved in scuba diving. Compared to free diving, isang hininga mo lang. Okay na yun. And you dive however fucking deep you want. It's okay. Pwede ka umangat ulit ng bihagya.
Equalize.
And here's
much more scary, bro.
Yeah, it's much more scary actually in free diving.
No, what the fuck?
Yeah,
What the fuck? Para sa akin, baliktad.
Para sa akin kasi parang putang ina, if you the thing is, you will if you go down and then what do you call this? And you pass out sa free diving, putang ina, ano mangyayari sa iyo? 'Di ba?
Iaangat ka. You need to safety stop.
No. Hindi ka, you pass out.
Diba?
Ang dami na mamatay.
Sabi nila, no
Never
instructor
dive
natin,
alone,
kung
bro.
magda-dive ka,
Yeah,
don't
do
dive
not
alone.
dive alone. Okay, exactly.
One of the rule.
Biggest rule. Yeah, parang rule number 1
Kaya
nila.
pag doon sa ilalim, nasa 200 meters ka, nawalan ka ng malay.
No.
How do they CPR you sa ilalim? You know, how? You know,
No,
you're just dead.
you're just unconscious. Okay? Sabi nga ng instructor ko, if you pass out underwater, you just sleep. That's it. You're
Pero
gonna
nakamit pa
sleep.
rin yung ano mo.
Hindi, pag sa scuba dive, pero most of the time that doesn't really happen kasi, it mostly happens to free divers. Ang daming namamatay na mga nag-spear diving dahil ganun nangyari. In-underestimate nila. Binayohack nila ng todo yung katawan nila to the point na naging delirious na sila. Kasi one thing kasi pag naging deprived ka na sa oxygen sa katawan mo, you start becoming delusional. Okay, nagkakaroon ka ng what do you call this? I forgot. Basta mag-hallucinate ka na. And then mag-iiba na yung thought process mo. And then sometimes di mo na alam na putang ina, nalulunod ka na pala. Pero sa tingin mo, you're high as fuck kasi kulang ka sa oxygen. And that's why free diving is scarier for me. Sa scuba diving, ang rule lang naman
Okay.
Ito yung pinaka rule.
Basic rule.
Okay. Sa free diving, number 1 rule, don't breathe. Okay? Don't breathe. Don't fucking breathe. You breathe, you die underwater. Sa scuba diving naman, you have to breathe. If you don't breathe,
You die.
you die. Not because hindi ka maghihinga, but because if you don't breathe, hindi nag-equalize yung gases sa lungs mo rin. And then pag halimbawa umangat ka bigla, angat, mag-expand yung lungs mo.
Kailangan
So if
ba
you-
synchronize yung
so-
breathing mo dun sa scuba diving?
No, sa scuba dive, you just breathe normally.
Normally, wag lang mabilis siguro.
Again, there's a lot of fucking physics involved na pag umangat ka, expand yung air sa lungs mo and all that shit, pwede pumutok if you hold your breath. So that's why you never hold your breath. A lot of things can go wrong. So just breathe. Just breathe. Don't.
Pero mas nakakatakot pa rin ng ano.
How long does
Ang
an
scuba dive
oxygen
mo
tank
Scuba dive
last
mo.
underwater?
Depende sa activity mo. Pag if you're panicking a lot or you're moving a lot, mas less yung air na matitira sa sa
tank.
cylinder mo. And then if let's say for example, may problema sa regulator mo, na may nagli-leak pala, mawawalan ka rin ng hangin. If you go really deep, ganun din, magle-lessen din yung air na may available sa'yo. So, you have like 20 to 30 minutes worth of air. on average during
I
each
see, I
dive.
see.
Depende pa. Sometimes pag super deep yung inano namin, mga 10 minutes lang yung air namin, 15 minutes. You know.
Damn.
It's fun though. Lots of physics involved. Ayun. Did I answer your question good?
Yes.
She, let's
You did. You actually did.
Tama rin, tama. Mas
Mas
nakakatakot
para
scuba
saan
diving.
nakakatakot scuba? Para saan na, meron di ko pa siguro natatry.
Nakatakot, tangin na. O, bumaba ka, no? Pag angat mo, puta na, nakikita mo yung resibo ng ginamit mong gears.
Ah, shit.
Oh shit, that's true, bro. Tama. You know what? In that
Nakakatakot
case,
nga.
nakakatakot nga. Yeah, that is true.
There's
Ina
like
yan.
there's so many hazards. Hindi lang
Yeah,
sa
there's so many
wallet mo,
hazards.
but like health-wise. Tangin na, pag nagkaroon ka ng decompression sickness, I believe that you have the chance, there might be chances that you're just gonna be brain dead.
And
Yes.
plus one sa pre-diving, hindi mo kailangan ng equipment, oh. Kailangan mo lang experience and knowledge.
You know,
Ganun
just
lang.
don't go sa water. You know, fuck
Yeah,
this
just
shit.
fuck the
Huwag ka
water,
nang
bro. Like, tangin
Stay
na.
in your house, bro. Just stay in your house.
Remember, humans, bro, we're not fish. Putang ina yun. We're not
Exactly.
built for that
We're
shit.
not
Di tayo
fucking,
yung avatar, alam mo yung mga avatar na, ano?
Yes.
Ano ba yung avatar? Yung James
Yung
Cameron.
the blue alien.
See,
Gago, may ano ako, may
There's the
naisip ko
reason,
bigla.
there's the reason why may forest na avatars, tas may
May ano
mga
na tayo.
water.
Yung mga
May ano.
humans.
Ano?
No, we are avatar, bro. Tama
What the
yun, we are avatar. Oh.
We are?
There's a trait sa lahat ng tao. Okay? So pag
Okay.
nabasado yung ilong natin, mas
What?
it will activate that trait.
The
What the fuck?
what do you call this? Ano yun? The drowning reflex.
Or yes, or
Something.
whatever that
Oh,
is. Kaya kung
yeah.
kaya yung sa ginagawa natin kaya na puta nagpapatagalan tayo ng hindi paghinga sa ano,
Yeah.
sa nakahiga lang sa kama. I mean, it's good practice pero mas matagal tayo kung
Nasa
basa
tubig tayo.
Nasa tubig tayo. Yeah.
Ay, guys.
Yeah.
One of those ano. Kinda nice, ano?
No, basically when you're under the water, nalo-lower yung heart rate mo. So, the lower the heart rate, the lower oxygen you need to fucking function.
Damn, so pwede tayo
So-
maging Aquaman.
Yes.
Then what's stopping people from evolving para maging Shokoy? No, we don't
Damn,
know.
bro.
It's probably,
No,
we're probably evolving right now, man.
Ilalim natin. Baka may ano doon, mga humanoid
Humanoid
na nag-evolve sa ilalim
species,
ng
no?
dagat.
It's probably gonna take another million years bago tayo mag-develop ng lungs, ay ng gills. ulit.
I don't think we can evolve as a human race anymore because once you see like mutations, you're just gonna find it like yung majority just gonna find it weird. And you're just gonna get discriminated. Oh fuck! You have extra hands,
I
or
would
something
love
like that.
extra hands, bro. Imagine all the things I can do.
Gago,
with
meron
an
nga
extra
yung extra fingers.
Di ba?
Tigi-anim yung puta na nagagamit niya ng normal.
Pero guys, dalawa ulo eh. Puta kaya. Oh.
Damn, bro.
Saka dalawa
Multitasking.
ulo sa katawan.
Puta na, napanood mata yung Aramina kung ano man yun.
Dalawang mukha yun, hindi dalawa ulo. Putang ina.
Natutulog, putang ina.
Ang ingay. Gusto ko matulog ha. Tangina yun. Pinost ko nga yun. Sabi ko, putang ina. Sinong rider ang nakashabu na nagsulat nito?
Actually, lahat ata ng GMA writers, lahat nakasabot na meron yung
Parang may something sila, di ko alam. Parang feeling ko di tayo nag-evolve sa pag-ano sa teleserye.
Have
I
you
swear to God, bro. I wish we could make series na parang, I mean, meron naman yung mga movies natin, pero I wish, yung mga Netflix level series,
we cannot make those kinds of series kasi gahawan sa pera yung mga ano dito. Kita mo
Producer
yung
dito.
tingnan mo yung probinsyano.
It's still mixing, bro.
Should have been 1 year like it's supposed to be like a story about twin brother who need to get a revenge against sa pamatay po na lalo nagtagal na nagkaroon ng parang anime arc yung po ng probinsyano eh.
Kanya-kanya, may iba pa na papasok eh. Di mo na.
Like puta na first year college ako nagsimula probinsyano puta na may trabaho na ako di pa rin tapos ang probinsyano puta na the fuck is this shit man?
They do be doing it.
Wait, tapos na ba probinsyano?
Tapos na.
I think
Tapos na.
hindi pa. Ay, hindi, may bat. Tapos na ata, pero bago. Batang Quiapo.
Batang Quiapo.
Putang inang yan.
May
It's the
spin-off.
OVA. May OVA. May
Anak
OVA
niya
siya
ata.
gago. Putang ina. May sipuden gago.
Ipuden.
Damn, bro.
Ayun lang naman. May inanayin
Mali,
lang ako
was
kasi hindi ko na-enjoy masyado yung pre-diving kasi puko ka na ina. Yung pinaka-the best
Nagkasakit
day ng training, nagkasakit ako. Yun lang naman,
Iningit
no?
ko kasi Kenan eh. Sabi ko,
Sabi ko,
putang ina
fuck,
boy,
bro.
sayang boy. Kung andun ka dun boy.
Wala na siguro
Kung
ako,
kaya
fuck.
mo mag 9-8 meters. Puta, ikaw boy, kaya mo yun boy. Gawin na. Iningit ko si Ken.
Sabi ko, fuck bro. Putang ina. Hindi ko talaga kaya ito eh. Tatantyan ko.
Personally, I want to try. Like, I really, really wanted to dive. It's just, ang problem lang is like, I'm panicking. My
Your
feet
toes, bro.
hurts.
It's
My
really
toes.
toes.
fucking toes hurt. Putana. Like without the flippers, I can't move in the water. Okay.
Yung problema
just
actually.
Actually, may enjoy. I think, alam mo yung last day, yung pandiving, yung first punta natin, yung kahit doon lang natin sa Subway, may enjoy niya pa rin yung daming isda, di ba? Kahit nakagano lang siya, tapos nanonood lang siya.
Yeah, it's just,
Ganda, ang dami kaya. It's good.
I should have.
wala eh, but his toes, bro. His toes, bro.
My
toes,
toes
bro.
hurting.
Kahit di
Because
ka
of
na
his
mag-dive,
toes
ang daming
na,
isda.
because of his toes, tutang na, he failed the jump, the QTE, nung jump niya.
Yeah, bro.
It's just a pagka.
Because of the toes, bro.
Hey, you should upload that,
The
bro.
toes.
I will share the shit out of it.
I'm gonna get cyberbullied by people.
It's fine, bro. It's fine.
I'm
You
already
just
getting
you just need
I'm
to
already
double. You
getting
just need to double
cyberbullied by
down.
People,
Double-
eh.
Just double down on it, Chris. Oh,
I'm
it's the
already
only
getting
way.
getting
It's fine. It's already
cyberbullied by
up.
people
We just need the
already, man.
we just need an audio of it, okay? Takinang hype.
But
man.
yes, that was nice.
Yeah.
That was some good,
I enjoy ito.
Yes.
I enjoyed it, bro.
Tangin na isang regret ko lang doon. Dapat tumantay karinderya lang. Doon sa gilid, tangin na doon di kumakain yung mga, doon.
Hey, don't call them out like that,
Tatawa
bro.
doon.
Whatever.
Call about like that.
Don't them out.
No, bro,
Yes,
hindi.
good. That was
Hindi
a-
lang
that was a good
kinaya.
option.
Di lang kinaya
That was
na ng
good.
chan ko.
That was a
okay?
good option, yeah.
It was a good alternative.
It's
Like
just
I
that
feel like
di ko
I
lang
feel
kinain ng tiyan
I
ko.
was lighter. I was lighter nung kumakain ako ng ng
Oh, damn.
vegan foods.
I do
Mga
love it.
vegan.
It's just, may body, bro. Parang nabigla. Never ako kumain ng ganun, tapos kumain ako.
Nabigla ka dun sa na drastic change ng diet kasi
Yeah.
usually ang kinokonsume is like may
Or meat.
laging
I want
laging
meat,
ano,
bro.
laging may karne.
But yes, that was amazing.
That's it.
No,
It's an experience,
So,
bro.
pag sinabi ko kanina, huwag kayo pumunta ng dagat, like maybe you feel adventurous, then try free diving, it's good, you will learn
Nice.
a lot na pwede mong i-apply sa totoong buhay, tulad ng pagsakay ng aeroplano, and equalizing, ang downside lang is, hindi nga masakit yung tenga mo, puta, narinig mo naman yung bata sa kabilang putang inang likod mo na umiiyak,
Umiiyak
kasi you're now
kasi-
equalized.
Hindi marunong. Turuan mo mag-equalize kasi yung bata, okay?
That's how you do it,
so
ah.
funny.
Nangyari ba yung last
Yeah,
time?
yeah,
nung-
papunta
Yeah,
kami sa
yeah,
van.
naiyak yung bata.
Sabi ni Gia, it will be so funny kung katabi natin yan, tayo kala sa likod
I'm
lang
so
namin.
fucked up, man. I always jinx myself. I always fucking jinx myself, man.
Puta, umiiyak na before pa pumasok sa... But yun, yes. And I was like laughing at the kid. Sabi ko, again, puta, na skill issue, di marunong mag-equalize. I was like boosting and shit. Pero yes, yun yung mga natutunan natin. So yun yung relax, body scan, mga ganun.
Oh yeah,
It's
the body
nice.
scan thing.
The
That was
body
nice.
scan,
I
yeah.
actually
It's
do
nice.
that nowadays. Pag matutulog
Ako rin,
ako.
pag patulog ako, I do that shit.
I do that
oh
shit
shit.
rin.
What's a
Puta,
body
ina,
scan?
disgusting.
What's a body
Pagising
scan?
ko, ayusin ko.
Sabi daw nila,
Mga
like,
ganun.
one way to fucking relax is, like, you imagine na parang you're scanning your body from head to toe. Like, pero like, parang isipin mo, parang kang parang kang printer.
Scan mo isa-isa.
May part dito na parang hindi relax yung
So,
muscle.
you basically just relax from head to toe. So parang, okay, head mo, okay, has to be relaxed. And then, hanggang and you're scanning hanggang papunta sa fingers mo, hanggang sa toes mo. Pag natutulog ako, ganun din. Like, papunta na makatulog, okay. It just helps you relax, okay?
It helps you relax yung
Kahit
body
sa
mo.
daw, I don't know, so people from the military said na yun din daw ginagawa nila para makatulog sila
Body
in
scan.
any position.
Relaxing the body.
They just do the body scan.
To enter the avatar state, kailangan mo mag-relax. Joke lang.
Yes, exactly.
Anyways, yun, that's free diving.
Free diving.
Just,
Hindi ko alam kung di na natin nadaanan. We're just trying to, may video naman kung gusto nyong makita yung mga pinagsasabi namin, punta na
Exactly.
yung video na yun. So, Pinoy's Place, it's called Pinoy's
Tries.
Free Diving.
Free
Free driving, yes.
I wanted to
Yes.
talk about the yung pawikan because that was one of the coolest fucking experiences.
Malaki nga lang yung tubig, sayang. Kung
Oo,
siguro sobrang ganda ng tubig.
Okay, pag nasa ilalim ka makikita mo naman. And then yung
Tama, clear pag pinakailalim.
yung sardines run, yung fucking tornado of fucking sardines and all
Yeah, that was
shit.
amazing,
fucking
bro.
Nice. Yung,
Was
yan,
amazing, bro.
yung pinapadive tayo dun sa putang parang, yung parang cove sa ilalim, yung parang Little Mermaid. Literally, putang
Ah, yung
na feeling.
pababa, tas
Yung, POV, ikaw si Ariel dun sa, look at this stuff. Literally yung nakita ko dun sa coral formation na yan. It was fucking awesome, bro. Hindi ko pa na-upload yung mga videos na yun. Shit!
Upload na.
Yeah, we will try. Pero dapat mauna yung
This December
mauna muna
na-upload yan.
mauna dapat yung kay Chris. Please, Chris, it's gonna be funny as fuck, okay? Do the world a favor, Chris. You know, your misery is
Laughter is the best
our laughter,
medicine.
Chris. See? Let's say, for example, puta, someone is so down and depressed and then they're like, fuck, man,
Oh my God,
life
this
is
clip saved
life
me.
has no meaning. Tapos napanood nila yung video mo and then they forget about
Life
the
has
problem.
meaning again.
Life has meaning again. See? Don't you want to be that person?
No. Hell no.
Bro,
You see
mahalas
this?
ko today, bro.
Babalik-balikan
Nakita
nila
yung
whenever
video.
they feel
Oh
bad.
shit, may mas mahalas pa pala.
You're having a shitty day at puta, and then you remember Chris's video. Oh, fuck.
Ah, shit, I'm good now.
Yeah, I'm good now, bro. See, Chris, you're a beacon of hope to people.
Superman, bro.
Kaya hanggang ngayon, puta, naalala ko pa rin, puta, never else.
Just a core memory.
It lives rent-free in my head, Chris.
If it's rent-free in your head, it's already a suppressed memory. Tanga, hindi ko na nga maalala.
Ayun na.
bro. That's why we have
Don't
to
worry, there's
upload
a
it,
video
bro.
for it,
para,
ah.
Chris, just please upload it, bro.
No man, don't do it.
It's gonna
It was
get
meant
it's gonna
to
get
happen.
ad revenue, Chris. Go. It's gonna get a lot of ad revenue. Come on, do it. Do it. Para sa ekonomiya, Chris.
Tangina mo.
So, can we naman sa...
Hindi worth it. At this economy, papahiya ko sarili ko. Nah, man. Nah!
No, bro. It's part of it. Do it. Lahat naman tayo napahiya na natin sarili natin.
Yes.
This is your moment, Chris. Okay. Nothing can beat
You're
yours.
calling.
Nothing can beat yours, Chris. Just do it.
Go.
The greatest
Go,
moment of your life, Chris. Come on. Upload it, John.
Ano,
Upload it.
For
You
memory.
you have Chris's consent. Okay.
ano,
Alam ko ito. Sa G-Drive.
G-Drive, baka.
ano.
Papakalat namin.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up.
Alright, let's wrap it up. Putang inang yung mga yung sugal
Weekly
tapos
podcast.
freediving.
Ah.
Next
Ano
week,
na, happy sa weekly pro. Suggest naman kayo, guys. Suggest.
guys,
Kung anong
please, we need
pag-uusapan.
suggestions of
Usapan
other
natin
things.
three body
Kasi,
problems.
Yeah, we can actually talk about that. Three body problems.
Pwede. Three brother problems.
Or other
What's the
stuff.
three body
I don't know,
problems?
man. Oh, you
Some
said
Netflix
watch
series.
it, bro. Watch it.
It's the boys.
It's the boys, but
The boys,
there's the
but-
girls and
There's the girls too.
yes.
It's
And-
the boys and the girls.
So ayun guys, yeah, if you guys want to try free diving, then contact nyo na lang yung pinuntahan namin, which is yung
Blue Freedom?
app niya. Okay, dun sa may namin, sa may video namin, may pa yun eh.
May code.
May code eh. Hindi natin napag-usapan yung bungee jumping and pero yeah, it was just
Okay
one
na
day.
yun.
It was fine.
I think pag-usapan naman natin sa last podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah. But look at his Patreons though. Look at them.
Hoy, Patreons,
That
thank
guy
you.
putang ina, papaldo to sa
That guy, ang
scatter.
lupit yan.
Oh.
Thank you.
Nanonood kasi kay Neil to eh.
Oy.
Putang ina yan, papaldo yan.
No bro, what the fuck?
And thank you so much sa ating mga
Thank you, guys.
Patreons. Maraming salamat for
Thank you
the
so
continued
much.
support
Thank you.
over the years. Like literally years. Okay. Hopefully tuloy-tuloy lang namin to. Itong
Tuloy-tuloy lang
weekly
yan,
namin.
Yes, weekly podcast namin.
we'll
Suggest
do
lang
our
kayo
best.
guys para may topic kami.
How about Spotify, John? Kailan lalabas sa
Siyempre.
Spotify to? Anong
Wala lang,
siyempre?
siyempre. Siyempre lang.
Ina, bro. Hopefully, ma-dish out din namin sa Spotify itong mga episodes na to. We'll do our
Ma-dish out
best.
na.
Asan?
By the time this is out, na-dish out na, okay? Hindi pa to na-upload. Upload dito sa Spotify.
Nauna.
Nauna na to sa Spotify.
Ayun. Big shoutout kay Neil na wala dito.
Salamat kasi openly namin na pag-usapan yung sugal.
Oo. Kasi kung nandito ka, hindi ka namin mapag-usapan
Siyempre.
yun eh. Okay.
Siyempre, anoin mo, sabihin mo na,
Kokontrahin mo eh.
hindi ganyan yan. Puta
Oo.
na. Nagsusugal ako dito.
Baka may
pero
masabi ka pa,
sasabi ko sa sugal.
baka mabaon mo pa yung sarili mo sa sa hukay eh.
Joke.
So,
Okay
yun
lang.
na. Alright.
That was
Anyways,
Ano lang masasabi sa'yo nila,
Ah.
just as soon as you see the out, go out now. Okay?
Oh
what the
shit.
fuck? Damn, Chris.
You see a light.
Masabi ko sa'yo, Neil,
Go
bigyan mo
towards the
pera.
light.
Joke.
Neil, putang bigyan mo isda. Okay, yun lang. Para goods tayo, okay.
O tara na!
Alright,
Wrap it up.
let's go. Goodbye, guys. We'll see you
Goodbye,
guys next
guys.
time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you,
Thank you
Pedro.
ulit. Bye-bye.
Sheesh.